Hello, hello, Kara James here. Today I want to talk to you about who you're attracting. What's your message? Who are you bringing into your world? And are they perfect? Are you loving who's coming in? Are the calls right? Are they buying from you? Is everybody buying from you? If not, you might want to take a step back and see, take a look at your messaging. More importantly, the way that you're calling them in, right? You want people in your world that are action takers. I know a lot of us, I've done it myself, and that's exactly what I got is, you know, the you're attracting people that you're calling out people that are stressed out, that are having trouble, that are stuck, right? Those are the people personally that I can help. But do I want those kind of people that are really, they might be stuck for a reason because they're not taking action? So you want to, and here's another thing. Maybe they want to take action, but they just don't know how, and they need to be called out for that. So what I mean by that is saying, hey, the people that come into my world are action takers. They've gotten so far, but they just need a little bit more. They just need a little bit more help, and they're ready to implement. They're go-getters, shakers and movers. So how do we keep that moving, right? That those are the people that come into my world, and those are the people that I'm attracting. And even if they're not those people, as they're seeing it, they're saying, "Well, I want to be that person. This is who I want to be." That's is their desire. So this is how they're going to show up when they come to me, just like that, right? Does that make sense? So you're calling in the circles, not the squares. I'd like to say what I was actually a mentor uses a different term, but I'm not gonna take her term. But it's so true that you're calling in the people that you want to be working with, right? Not, we know you're stuck and you're stressed and you have anxiety and this type of thing. Well, you just call them right in, right? And then they're going to come into your program just like that. So call them in as action takers, call in the go-getters, and you're going to get that. So I hope I'm not repeating myself, or I hope this makes sense. But any questions or anything, reach out to me. I'm always happy to chat about this. Take care.